This is Blender's UI, and you are looking for a quick tutorial about it, aren't you? My name is Lars and you are watching the first episode of the Blender Mini Guide, a series where I will cover topics about Blender in just 2 minutes. So, in this episode, let's take a look at Blender's UI. We'll start in 3, 2, 1, go. At the top left we have the menu bar. Under File we can load, save, import or export our files. Behind Edit we can undo or redo steps, search for functions or configure Blender settings. Render allows to render a single image of the scene or an entire animation. At the top border of Blender you can find different label buttons, modeling, sculpting, UV editing, texture paint, shading and many more. With them you can have different layouts in the different working modes. The working mode itself can be changed in the drop-down labeled Object Mode below the menu bar. Even more settings can appear below that if you change, for example, to Sculpting. Right of this you can see different categories with functions for this certain mode. Depending on layout and working mode we have even more icons appearing right of the drop-down with the working mode. For modeling we have the coordinate system, the relative point, snapping and proportional editing right here in the center. And at the end of the section there are settings and shading modes for the viewport. This 3D viewport is that big area below them. Here all your objects can be edited and rendered. Inside it on the left is the toolbar. It contains tools for editing, while on the right there is the so-called transform panel, which gives you an overview about location, rotation, scale and many more. Top right of the viewport is a list. That's Blender's hierarchy. All your objects will be listed here. Below that is a section for editing an object's properties as well as updating world and render settings and many more. Below the viewport itself is a timeline for animations. Here you can either add, edit or remove keyframes of an object. Below this you can find certain tools and shortcuts for updating your selected object. At the bottom right we can enable the scene statistics by right clicking in it so we can see the geometric data of our objects. And with that, time is up. Thank you so much for watching the first episode of the Blender Mini Guide. My name is Lars. Don't forget to leave a like on this video if you enjoyed it, subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll see you guys soon. Take care, bye for now.